Once upon a time, in a bustling town called Prosperityville, there lived a wise old man named Samuel. He was renowned for his incredible investment skills, and his wealth grew steadily over the years. People from all around sought his advice on how to make smart investment choices and secure their financial future. One day, a young and ambitious individual named Emily approached Samuel, eager to learn his secrets. Impressed by her enthusiasm, Samuel decided to share his knowledge through 10 invaluable tips on how to invest wisely. 1. Set clear goals. Samuel began by emphasizing the importance of setting clear investment goals. He explained that having a specific target in mind helps investors align their strategies and make informed decisions. 2. Diversify your portfolio. Samuel compared investing to a garden, stressing the need to diversify investments across different asset classes. Just like a well-balanced garden withstands various weather conditions, a diversified portfolio reduces the risk of losses in any particular investment. 3. Research and analyze. Samuel shared the story of a farmer who meticulously examines the soil and weather conditions before planting his crops. Similarly, he advised Emily to thoroughly research and analyze potential investments to understand their risks and rewards. 4. Stay informed. Samuel likened investing to a constantly evolving landscape, where knowledge is power. He encouraged Emily to stay updated on economic trends, industry news, and any other factors that could impact her investments. 5. Invest for the long term. Samuel recounted a tale of a patient fisherman who waits for the perfect catch. He emphasized the importance of a long-term investment mindset, allowing time for compounding returns and weathering short-term market fluctuations. 6. Control emotions. Samuel shared a story of a town gripped by panic during a storm. Similarly, he warned Emily about the dangers of making impulsive investment decisions driven by fear or greed. Keeping emotions in check is crucial for maintaining a rational investment approach. 7. Manage risk. Samuel compared investing to crossing a treacherous river. He stressed the need for risk management by diversifying investments, setting stop-loss orders, and periodically reviewing the portfolio to ensure it aligns with one's risk tolerance. 8. Seek professional advice. Samuel reminded Emily that seeking expert advice is not a sign of weakness but rather a wise decision. Just as a traveler consults a guide, he advised her to seek guidance from financial advisors or professionals when needed. 9. Learn from mistakes. Samuel shared a personal anecdote of an investment gone wrong. He emphasized that setbacks and mistakes are part of the learning process. It's essential to analyze the reasons behind the failures, learn from them, and adapt investment strategies accordingly. 10. Be patient. Samuel concluded his advice by sharing a story of a farmer who patiently waits for his crops to grow. He urged Emily to be patient and have faith in her investment decisions, as wealth accumulation takes time and perseverance. Inspired by Samuel's wisdom and armed with these 10 tips, Emily set forth on her investment journey with confidence and determination. And as the years went by, She too became known for her successful investments, helping others in Prosperityville achieve their financial dreams.